Here's the uncomfortable truth. The most important decision in your business isn't yours to make. You can plan strategies, set prices, optimize supply chains, hire the best people, and build features. But the critical choice, the one that decides whether you win the customer, is made inside someone else's head, the customer's head. And those decisions aren't all that rational. They're triggered by emotion. We can trigger them with pain, fear, and gain, but they're much more powerfully driven by identity, meaning, and belonging. That's why we built the Value Proposition Workshop. It's designed to help your team craft messages that resonate not just with logic, but with the subconscious triggers that actually drive decisions and action. If you're ready to align your people and your customers around value propositions that stick, let's talk.